Hi, what's Wednesday? Welcome back to another malware video. Today we'll be looking at Windows Antibreach module. This rogue is older, but I still want to look at it anyway. This was malware I've done in a long time, actually over a year. I didn't do it in 2016, believe it? I went with Ace for 5552 and it still worked before it died. Well, started dying, then I broke it over a video. See my skit channel. But I will be as the rogue, what it does and how to remove it. I think one or more ways. Let's go ahead and give it a run. And we'll give it permission. Now it knows it's day. We'll see it pop up. And we'll see the computer reboot. Anyway, let's see it boot up. Let's just start it from time. Reboot. Let's use the rogue, it's fake universe. And I have to reply to that, to be honest. But we'll see the Chrome. Don't think it's opening. Just throw a warning. Let's see what we can run. This. Wow. Nope. Let's stop scanning. Do that. So what can we do? Internet Explorer. Chrome. Let me see if it works. What is in this batch file, I wonder? Edit. CMD. And then we can have an exe. Okay. See downloader. Trojan network monitor health server policy. Client P2P Trojan driver reporting tool and dialer. Welcome to 2017. We don't use that anymore. Fucking eat. Anyway, get out. Here's open on Chrome. Yeah, here's the warning. Fucking out. You can't run anything. Everything I tried to run isn't it? I can't see the edge of the screen, by the way. I see you cut it off. Alright, so that's what it does. There's two ways to remove this. I can find out. Also, Task Manager. Gone. CMD. Gone. Okay, how is something like that? Okay. Wait to automate it and put in a code if you can. We'll set something like that with the Wi-Fi card isn't pulled in. Settings. I'm gonna go enter in the key. I don't know where to enter the key at. Okay. We have a key for it, I just don't know where it's at. I'll put it in, I got my flashlight anyway. To check it. Work actually. Anyway, the way I remove it is like any other antivirus or fake antivirus program. To simply go into I remember one way of doing it. First of all, you should go in and go to the C drive users public, and it's users, your username, that's right, you gotta go thing for a minute. I'll pop in here and show all. And users default out there from Microsoft. No, it must be under me. Yeah, once you find this file with the icon, you can rename it to whatever, and then reboot. And now see at the desktop, and we can do things again. Brother, it takes good time, but it'll work. Another way to do it would be to simply, once you're at the rogue screen, go to restart. And as your computer boots up, go ahead and start spamming F8 on your keyboard. And once you're at the screen, go down to safe mode with networking. And now I guess something we have to do is go to where for this save mode. There's no graphic driver. Go to menu, go red at it. Be very careful if you do this. Go local machine software, Microsoft. Windows, current version, and then find run for the menu. And then find that's interesting. And then it'll be in here. Or it may be also under current user, software, Microsoft, Windows, version run, Microsoft, extra shit. Okay. Only send out definitely micro shit. Windows, current version run. There, that might be the thing right there. Yep. So weird those in it. Keep something, just take this. Say get the fuck out. Close out the window and reboot, and once again, that also defeat the there's the rogue. And let's get to the end. Now, looking at what you did, all you do is go into that folder once again that I showed you earlier. Where our files, your users. So I mean, you can use either way, either reboot first. I think you should do the first method. Because you're at the roaming, then delete, these two files, as well as this back file down here, and then remove it. Also, while you're in safe mode, you can also download malware or any other anti-malware program and remove it using that program, as I was showing the main way of doing it. Well, yes, assuming this is the only thing on your computer, which likely, unfortunately, it is not, this will be the end of it, unless you replace it yourself. In case I set it up, I put the file on there to fit the computer, so I know it's going to be on there, plus I don't care anyway. Literally, they're saying I'm more the computer and set for the next general video, which is why I'm recording this now. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you will be doing a proper malware tutorial later on. I just want to show this rogue, and I will show many others as well. So, yeah. Until next time, take it easy.